This is Excel Lesson 6, the inserting and deleting cells step by step. I've opened the O6 Patient Visits Insert Delete file from the data files in this lesson. I'm going to select cell G5, making it the active cell by using the name box this time. On the Home tab in the Cells group, I'm going to click the top part of the Insert button. Notice that all of the cells in column G shifted down one cell. I'm going to type 590 and press enter. Now at step 5, let's select cells O3 through O9, the range O3 to O9. On the Home tab in the Cells group, this time select the drop arrow below Insert Cells, and then select Insert Cells. You're now given a dialog box that allows you to tell what direction you'd like to move the cells. Let's shift cells right. Click OK. Notice that the cells formerly in O3 through O9 shift all the way to the right one cell. In cell O3, now empty, let's type November, press enter, and then let's put the following in the cells below: 480, 502, 446, 577, 302, and 302. We're now going to save the workbook into our class folder. We're going to add the word solution to the and at the beginning we're going to add our last name, first name. Let's look at deleting cells. When you delete cells, you move one or more, forcing other cells to move up or to the left. Let's go to cell P7. We're in the same worksheet. All right, now it's the active cell. On the Home tab in the Cells group, let's click the down arrow for delete, and then select Delete Cells. We're given the option to shift the cells. Let's shift them to the left and click OK, and the content will shift left. Let's highlight the range A8 through P8. Notice this is a duplicate of the row right beneath it. In the delete dialog box, what we're going to do is we're going to right click and select delete from our shortcut menu, and we'll get the delete dialog box. Let's make sure we're shifting the cells up, and let's click OK. All right. If we want to delete cells in a column, let's look at that. Highlight D3 through D8. And in the Home ribbon, we will drop the arrow down under Delete and click Delete Cells. We'll make sure we're shifting the cells in the right direction, in this case the left, and we'll click OK. Now if I do Control Home, brings my active cell back to A1, gets that out of the way, and I'll note your sheet should look just like this. We'll go ahead and click Save, and we'll submit this to the assignment.